peacock's feathers. Many years ago, the peacock was an ordinary bird with a small bunch of feathers. It used to fly high in the sky, although it always wanted to be the most beautiful bird on earth. One day, the peacock visited the wish goddess. It expressed its wish in front of her. The wish goddess smiled and the peacock was blessed with a long train of brightly colored feathers that trailed behind it. The feathers were blue and green in color with a jewel-like pattern. The peacock was also blessed that it could open up the feathers like a fan if it wanted. Now, the peacock held its head high and started walking like a king. The common birds looked at him in surprise and were jealous. After showing off its colorful feathers, the peacock decided to fly, but it was shocked. It could not fly anymore. The peacock sadly realized that it had lost a wonderful ability simply because it had wanted to look good. The greedy traveler. Once there was a smart old tiger. He could no longer hunt as he had grown old. One day, when he was terribly hungry, he thought of a plan. He stood in a pond and held a blade of holy grass in one paw and a gold bracelet in the other. Then he started shouting, "Ladies and gentlemen, a gold bracelet for charity." A greedy traveler was passing by. He asked, "How can I believe you that you would not harm me?" The tiger replied, "I know that it is not easy to believe, but a holy man has advised me to do charity, so I am doing this for charity. In any case, I am quite old. My teeth and claws are of no use, so do not be afraid of me." The traveler believed him and went into the pond, but got stuck in the deep mud. "Oh, do not worry, I will help you," the tiger said, and he slowly waded towards the traveler and grabbed him for his meal. The thankless hippo. There lived a selfish hippo near a lake. He used to eat loads of food and never left anything for other animals. Once, all the animals decided to have a picnic near the lake. Everyone was playing, but the hippo was eating. After having a good meal, the hippo dived into the lake, but he had become very heavy due to overeating and he got stuck in the muddy lake. He shouted for help. The other animals rushed to the lake and saved him. Immediately after he was rescued, he pushed the other animals aside and rushed to the place where food was kept. The animals became very angry and decided to teach him a lesson. They made a pie of yam and soap and gave it to the hippo. "Hey hippo, see, we have made a pie for you." The hippo ate the pie. After eating the pie, he went to relax in the lake. He then realized that whenever he tried to speak, lots of bubbles appeared from his mouth. He felt terribly upset and never ate other animals' food again. The Lion's Wedding. Once upon a time, there was a fierce young lion in the Daintree forest. All the animals of the Daintree were afraid of him. One day, the lion decided to look for a suitable match for himself. Within a few days, he found a beautiful lioness. After consulting the priest, an auspicious date was set. The lion wanted to invite all the animals of the Daintree. He thought, maybe this way I can make them realize that I am kind-hearted. Though the animals were invited, they did not go. Later, the bear asked the elephant, "Why did you not go to the lion's wedding?" The elephant replied, "I am strong, but I still fear the lion." Then he asked the bear, "Why did you not go there?" The bear replied, "I could not collect sufficient honey. The lion would have been upset and may have even killed me. Thus, all because of the needless fear that the animals felt, none attended the gentle lion's wedding.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.